There is one Punjabi dish that has been my favorite since childhood, and its name is Palak Paneer. So let's make it today. Whenever I see fresh spinach, the first thing I make is Palak Paneer. But what about those who don't know how to cook? And you can't eat outside food every day, right? That's not healthy, is it? So I have a really good recommendation for that. Today, I won't be cooking, but this will be made by Meat Appliance. Make sure to watch this video till the end because there is a special discount code for the viewers of Meghna's Food Magic. If you are a working person and don't have any time to cook at home, but still want homemade food, then this will help you make homemade food without much effort. See how easy it is to make Palak Paneer with this cooking assistant appliance, which has more than 500 recipes. Today, I am selecting Palak Paneer. So we have selected Palak Paneer. Now we will select. How many people do you want to make it for? So here you can select, is it for 1, 2, or 4 people? Here, we will select for 2 people, and you can see that the calories and recount are available. And now we have selected Palak Paneer. If you want to see the ingredients for it, we will click on View Ingredients. Then you will see all the ingredients here, just like it is written here. It will also tell you the quantity you need for Palak Paneer. Here it is written that you need to take 300 grams of spinach for Palak Paneer. So you can also weigh it, that this is 0. So see, you have to take 300 grams of spinach. We have it ready. So in the same way, we will measure and keep all the other ingredients as well. So the first step says to trim and wash the spinach, which I have already prepared. The next step is to add the spinach to the jar with water. And now we will close the lid and move on to the next step. Here it is mentioned that the cap on top should remain closed, and we have to start cooking. In this step, the spinach is being blanched. The spinach is already blanched, so let's drain it. Now the spinach is blanched. Now let's move on to the next step. In the next step, it shows refined oil, cumin seeds, and asafoetida, all those things. We will add them to the jar and sauté them. For sautéing, it says that we need to remove this cap, so we'll remove the cap, then put the lid on and press start. The cumin seeds have been sautéed, so let's move on to the next step. In this step, it says to add garlic, onion, and green chilies. We don't need to chop and add these at all, because the appliance will do the chopping too. So this is the step where it will chop the vegetables. And we'll press start. Let's scrape it once. See how well the appliance chops the vegetables for you. The vegetables are chopped now, and now we'll sauté them. The onions and garlic have been sautéed. Now we'll add turmeric, garam masala, salt, spinach, and tomatoes. Now we'll cook all the vegetables together. Let's open it once and mix everything. Then scrape down the sides again. Now we have to add the paneer. So we'll put this blade cover on the blade so that the paneer doesn't get chopped and the paneer pieces stay intact. And now let's add the paneer and a little water. And after adding the paneer again, we'll start cooking. All right, while the Palak Paneer is being made, we can relax. And now we'll do the last step. Let's remove this crown and cook for 5 more minutes. And that's it. The Palak Paneer is ready. Let's plate it quickly. The Palak Paneer has really turned out very tasty. Let me tell you, the appliance will take away half of your cooking worries and will also save you the expense of eating out. So it's good for your health and saves money too. For those who miss homemade food, or if you live away from your family, Or if you can't cook at home, then this appliance will be useful for you. A special discount link for Appliance AI is available for you in the description box.